we're clinical engineering from Basildon Hospital, and we'd really like to enter into the Red Bull Soapbox, and we feel we have what it takes to not only build the winning car, we also think we can put on a show.
And we've got a 6-foot parrot.
And we have a 6-foot parrot.
Willing to do it for the cause. We've got gravity on our side. Mass. We have the technology.
Hi, I'm Helen Mattock from the fundraising team. This year our major appeal is the Polly Parrot Appeal. This is raising £250,000 for children's services at Basildon Hospital.
I'm Gary, I'm from the Polly Parrot Red Bull race team entry. We're going to introduce you to the crew. So on design we have Neil Stanley.
At your service, sketches and designs and whatever we want to do. It's over to the brains of the outfit, Paul Brains Malone.
Hello. Not quite sure what my speciality is, but I'm sure it will become a parrot soon.
Over to Danny Spanner Day, the obligatory old person.
Thank you, not so much of the old. I've got the spanner, so we have the tools to build the cart. I also have a toolbox. It's adjustable, you see.